Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it, nigga. I gotta see out this, bro. What the fuck? I don't got shit to talk about, so just listen to this motherfucking V8. Just listen to this V8.
Shut the fuck up.
Shit, why not bend the corner? Press the little button right here, and then this little special notification gonna pop up. And then after that little special notification pops up, look what you do after the notification. What you do? You do. You feel me? That's what you do. Come on, man. Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Let's fucking do it, man. Let's do it, nigga. Let's do it, nigga. Let's do it. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Damn, I was chilling, driving around, scrolling on Instagram, recording a little POV, and I seen this little car meet not too far from where I was at. So I decided just to pull up. Damn, I'm really just chilling. Right now, it's Friday. I'm just chilling, reading up the dude. Tomorrow, we're gonna slide to the first legal bid. At least my first legal bid of 2025. We're gonna slide down to Alpendale Williams, not down there. We're gonna slide there, chill. So I'm really doing nothing. I'm just outside doing bullshit. Feel me? I'm just chilling, driving around, bullshit. I just so happen to find this car meet.
Bruh. Ew! Dude! What the fuck?
Man, that shit stink, cuz. Ooh, it stink in here. Hell no. I don't even know what the hell I was talking about. Yeah, cuz I'm just chilling. It's a Friday night, chilling, doing a POV drive, looked on Instagram, found this little flyer, pulled up. Shoot, now we here. That bathroom stink. I gotta see out this, bro. I ain't gonna lie, Nissan really fumbled when it comes to them Z's. Like, the hype was so real, and the one that just came out, I think recently, the last 2 or 3 years, I don't think that bit even selling right, man. It's not selling correctly. There's so much hype around the Z's, cause a lot of car companies nowadays, they're just selling bad. Like Dodge with that electric car, tripping. Ooh, what's that? Red bit. You feel me? What else I'm talking about? All top of shit out there, bro. They ain't got my shit over there. That bitch just sitting. I really need to clean mine. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't cleaning in a minute. Wide body kit still not put on it fully. Man, damn, buddy got a hit. God damn. But feel me, wide body kit still not put on my joint. I got it out the garage, just sitting. I've been feeling lazy, bro. Feel me? I gotta put the wide body kit on. Gotta install that bit, then I gotta get it painted or wrapped. Y'all might see her in a minute. I know she dirty too. Look, dirty as hell. I still gotta decide if I want to paint it, wrap it. Ooh, wait a minute. That should sound good. I ain't gonna lie, I think I'm finna dip though, you feel me? This is, it been cool, I guess, you feel me? Niggas just sitting around talking and shit. Ain't shit really happening. I think I'm just finna dip, get back on the road or something. There's some cool cars out here for sure though. Cool cars out here for sure. Man, I'm going to do it. Cut it. It was great. I ain't gonna lie, I got here like what, 20, 30 minutes ago, I think. It was, ain't shit too much going on, I ain't gonna lie. They had some cars out there, but ain't shit too much going on. Like, what am I, you feel me? Turn the windows up. How to leave the car meet though, I ain't gonna lie. It was straight, don't get me wrong, but the car meet was straight. It wasn't too much to goddamn, you feel me? It wasn't too big. It was just some cool shit, some niggas chillin' shit. Hey man. 60 oil pressure, goddamn. I'ma just thug it out. But nah, I'ma just do a little goddamn POV drive, finish this bit off, and then back to the crib. Tomorrow though, I ain't gonna lie, what day is today? Today the 10th, Friday. Tomorrow we going to the first legal pit of 2025 so far for me at least. You feel me? I'm gonna put the flyer right here. Actually, nigga, ain't no put up on the flyer right here. Man, this shit not dropping until like next week, man. Shit not dropping until like next week. You feel me? Come on, man. I be wanting to bust and drift through this bitch, cuz. I be wanting to bust and drift through the goddamn little section. Nice, quiet little neighborhood. You know. Man, my phone from die. If your ass made it to the end of this video, you a bitch.